It's like deja vu for State College. A century ago, the town also faced a dangerous health threat, the Spanish flu. And the reaction looked much like today's pandemic: masking, staying home, and shutdowns. Penn State Library's employee Sandy Morgard has been going through newspapers from 1918 and says there are a lot of similarities.
Instructions on how to make your own mask. I ran into that. So that was kind of really similar, very, very similar. And then the whole thing about closing things, closing the bars, closing the schools.
Penn State remained open back then, despite dealing with the flu and World War I. In the war's early stages, the U.S. began sending Army soldiers and officer trainees to colleges for specialized training. The university essentially turned into a military training camp and suspended regular classes. The Spanish flu also took a toll, and isolation was one of the only ways to prevent the spread. Here, located just behind the Lion Shrine, was a military barrack deemed the pest house due to the pestilence. It served as an isolation area for students and trainees who had contracted the flu. There were around 300 cases of Spanish flu in Center County, compared with 15,000 COVID cases now. Because State College was not one of the hardest hit areas, the focus turned back to the war. Retired archivist Lee Stout says by November 1918, things began to ease.
It really went back to normal in spring semester of 1919. America began to demobilize very quickly. And even though troops remained in Europe, for most places in the United States, things returned to normal.
Two challenges for the university and the community, 100 years apart. In State College, I'm Gillian Silbiger for the Center County Report.
We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you did.
For the rest of our newscasts and featured stories, click here.
And for sports, click here. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.